So, what is our project? Our project is a vertical aquaponics system with a compact design. It is equipped with monitoring system, uses various type of sensors, and it is suitable for green leafy vegetables and herbs such as pak choy, basil, Chinese kale, and lettuce. Our objective for the system are to reduce the time taken to cultivate the plant by 25% compared to traditional planting methods, to monitor the results of pH level, turbidity, humidity, and temperature using an app that connects through Wi-Fi connection, and lastly, to be able to feed fish automatically for every 12 hours. Our smart vertical aquaponics system is powered by the solar unit. The solar unit consists of 200 watt solar panels. The generated power will go through the charge controller, controlling the current flow between solar panel, batteries, and distribution box. The DB box contains circuit breakers and inverters inside and convert DC current to AC current. The converted AC power would output to the socket and concurrent load. In our case, we are using the 3-pin socket Type G. In case of emergency, proceed to press the emergency stop button. In order to charge the solar unit, place it in an area with adequate sun exposure. Once exposed, the battery will start charging, as indicated on our charge controller. We may now connect our load to the solar unit. The system is now powered and ready for operation. It contains our essential components such as our controller box to store the electrical components, converter to convert the incoming AC power to power our DC components. The 12 volt DC power would be stepped down to 5 volts to be paired with our ESP32 to communicate and control via relays. The system includes an IoT app to control and monitor the system through the following components such as grow light to provide photosynthesis, pH sensor to measure pH level, dosing pump to control the pH level pumped into the tank and making it suitable for our fish and plants, turbidity sensor to measure water cleanliness, fish feeder with manual and 12-hour cycles to sustain our fish. DH22 sensor to measure our humidity and temperature throughout the system. Level sensor to detect low water level. Lastly, the water pump, pumping the water throughout the system, providing oxygen to fish and nutrients to plants. Before growing the plants, we are required to germinate the seeds by simulating the underground, dark and moist environments to stimulate the seed growth. First, we select the seed of choice. In our example, our pak choy seeds. We will be inserting the seeds into the rock wool and submerging it. Once moist, we can transfer it into the tray filled with a thin layer of water. Later on, keep the seeds in a dark environment for 1 to 2 weeks and allow it to germinate. Lastly, we may now transfer the germinated seeds onto the tower and allow it to grow. As you can see, we have grown a variety of plants such as coral lettuce at level 1 to 3, butterhead lettuce at level 4, basil at level 4 to 6, and lastly pak choy at level 7 to 8. Over time, the smart vertical aquaponics system has nurtured the plants significantly over the past 3 weeks. Due to that, the leafy greens and herbs are now suitable for consumption.